You will never guess what is celebrating a milestone today.
Ooh, I don't know. Do
McEwen.
tell.
It is.
Killing me.
You probably have these at your house. It's the Billy bookcase.
Oh, yeah.
The IKEA staple, which you know,
yes.
almost everybody has owned at some point. I still have some in my house. Turns 40 years old this February.
Wow.
Even as more people are going digital and ditching traditional books and magazines, this IKEA bestseller has really, you know, stood the test of time. It's gotten fancier over the years. This is to the point where people are using the bookcase to show off things like pictures, home decor, their prized shoe collections.
I had a massive one. I had one that was like the biggest one you could buy.
Yeah?
That was like 9 feet tall or something. Well, maybe not 9, 8 feet tall.
Wow.
At least 8. It was the biggest one to store all of my books and CD. But I wonder, now that everyone is Marie Kondoing everything, are we going to need our massive Billy bookcases as much? They are meant
Good
multiple sizes.
question.
Here's a stat in the face of that. It's estimated a Billy bookcase is sold every 5 seconds.
Wow.
Somewhere in the world.
Wow.
That's longevity.
That's a lot. I remember at one point, you know how to compare the cost of things in different countries, they use like a Big Mac, for example.
Oh.
At one time, Bloomberg did one that used the Billy bookcase.
Do we know why it's called the Billy bookcase?
Oh, good question.
I feel like we need to figure that out.
The naming culture of IKEA is sort of an interesting.
That is true. That's
a little
another
bit of a
story in
mystery.
itself.
We should look into that.